Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new ColourPop Animal Crossing line. I did not buy the whole thing, but I did get the Flower Power blush. I got the Flower Power blush. I got the Nook ink eyeshadow palette, the green. And then I got 5 Star Island. So these were my favorites out of the whole collection. That's why I bought them. I'm obsessed with green eyeshadows, so that's why we got that one. And then this is just like so cute. I love all the colors. And then I'm obsessed with like super pink blush. So I figured I would pick like the really intense one. The other blush, I think it's called like Flower Tinder, is like really orange. So the packaging is the same on this one. Then you open it, it has like the little thing. The mirror has a protector over it. Maybe we'll get it off. I don't know. Just had it. So satisfying, right? Okay. So that is the blush. I'm holding this over there. It even has like a little flower print in it. So cute. Okay. So now I'm gonna put this on. See how it looks on because we have no blush on yet. It's a very pretty pink. I actually love that color. It's so cute. So that actually looks really good. The color, the pigment is like really nice. Sorry, I like a lot of blush and then I like to like blend it to death. I don't know why. But yeah, so that went on very nice. The flower is still there. It has not run away. So I really like this blush actually. It went on super well. Like it looks super cute. Love that. Alright, so next I am going to put on highlight real quick. I'm going to just go in with my Complex Culture. And I'm using Afterglow. It's this one. No, I'm actually going to use the pink one. What am I talking about? Lucid. So I'm going to put that on real quick. I like a lot of highlight as well. Okay. So now, let's open 5 Star Island. I'm not going to put both of them on just because I don't think the colors go together, but this is what this one looks like, and then that's the packaging for it. This is what these look like. Oh, so cute. Okay, now take off the little dude. The mirror is also covered in this, but that is his little mirror. Has little dudes on it. And then that's the colors in this. They are so cute. I love them. And then this is this one. Look how cute those colors are. And then this is like the mirror. But they're just so darn cute. And this is them, without ruining them next to each other. So they're like very opposite. That's why I'm not going to wear both. But I'm probably going to go in with 5 Star Island just because it's the most wearable out of the two probably. And I'm going to probably do the Resident Rep color, this one, in my crease. I really like Island Designer, this one. I don't know yet. We'll see where we go. Okay, so I'm going to use a medium fluffy brush. I'm going to use this tiny little mirror. This has a decent amount of fallout. But the pigment is really good. I like this color so far. It's like a nice deep mauve color. Okay, so that's the color so far. It is so cute. I really like it. It's very pigmented. The fallout on my skin is not bad. It just gets messy in the pan. And now we're gonna go in with Eyeliner, which is like that pink color here. And I'm gonna put this on like the outer corner to like the middle area. That's pretty pigmented also. I really am like shocked how pigmented these are. Like that is just really pretty. This is a really nice pink, just like color, spring, summer color for sure. And the colors, they blend really nicely together. So that is the Eyeliner with Resident Rep. Next, I'm gonna go in with Isabel, which is the yellow color here. And I am just going to put that on like the inner part, and then I'm gonna go in with the Island Designer kind of in the middle. Let's see if this yellow is very pigmented. Kind of-ish. It's not super pigmented compared to the other two. It's a lot softer than I was expecting. So if you don't want like a super intense yellow color, this is actually pretty good. Like, it's not going on super crazy like what I'm used to seeing from yellows. So that will just be like a little soft inner corner. And I'm going to go in with my finger with the Island Designer. And we're just going to pat that one. Kind of in the middle, like in between. So that's really pretty as well. I know this one's supposedly not supposed to be for your eyes or something. I don't know. I was watching another video about it and it was just saying like it can be used in like your hair or on the body. But we're gonna add it to the look because it's cute. So that is all the colors. They're adorable. I really like them. I'm actually not gonna blend all that together. I kind of like how it's going together right now. It's like decently blended already, but like in a cute way. Oh, it's so cute. So if there is any fallout, I'm just gonna go with the highlight fluffy brush real quick under. Make sure we're clean. I am gonna go in though with that first color and just kind of sharpen up the edges a tiny bit. I'm not gonna like blend too much in to everything else because I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna go in a tiny bit through that. Now I am going to swatch these so you guys can see what they look like. So the first one is Water Landing. So that is on my arm. And then we're going to go in Made in the Shade. And that is that color. Super cute. And then Yes Yes is this upper corner next to the Made in the Shade. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Like, look at how shiny that is and sparkly. That is so pretty. And then CEO. That is like amazingly glittery. So that is the green colors. This would be a really cute look as well. I might have to do another video with it just because those are so cute. I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera real quick, finish up the eyes, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. My wings got a little bit bigger than I was expecting, but we're here and it's fine. Just gonna take off my cat ears. So yeah, this is the final look. It's super cute, I think. I really like the eyeshadow colors in that palette. Like, 5-Star Island is what's up, and it's so tiny, you can travel with this. You could actually probably get a few looks out of this even. This is just the one I mostly saw, and then I really like the glitter. It is so pretty. And then the yellow kind of gets like hidden away, but you could probably do like a super cute look with just the yellow, and it would be, well, not just the yellow, but like majority with yellow, and it'd be really cute. Maybe it's pretty light though, but the pinks are really good in this. Like, this palette is so cute. So that is it after I've messed with it. This one has the most like noticeable. And then the green, it's still perfect until I mess it up. And the blush still looks good. But yeah, so this is the 3 I got so far. I might get the other blush in the other 2 palettes. I do like the purple one a lot, and then obviously the like orangey nude colored one is like super universal. Like, everyone can wear that one really well. Like, everyone can wear any of them really well. But that's like a safer route that you can just wear for more stuff, I feel like. But I wanted these 3 the most, so that's what I went for, and luckily I got them. This collection sold out so fast, it was crazy. So next time, hopefully I'll be able to get the other 3. We'll see if I'm lucky enough. The orangey, the What a Hoot one lasted a really long time, and then the label one didn't. The purple one went really fast, and then the Flower Tender went fast. The Flower Power, this one, this pink blush, the Nook ink, and the What a Hoot were like the only products that lasted for a while. But I mean, like, probably 30 minutes longer than the rest. So yeah, I really liked how all of this like stuff blended. It didn't have a lot of fallout, which is good. The colors are very pigmented. The blush is very pigmented. It's really pretty. If you like really pink blush, you will love this blush. If you don't, I wouldn't recommend getting this one because it is very pink, as you can see. But I really enjoy these palettes. I'm obsessed with Animal Crossing. Like, I play it every single day ever since I got it back in April. And it's like my favorite game of all time, probably, honestly. I don't know if anything beats it. I've never played a game so like consistently. So yeah, like, I've had games I've like been obsessed with, but then that obsession kind of dies out. The obsession with this game has not died. And I'm really excited for the event on the 15th. I need to get like 100 of the freaking feathers so I can customize all my stuff, because I got green and I really wanted purple because the purple goes with my island more, but you know, you don't have a choice. Comment below. Let me know if you guys got your hands on this collection, first of all. But also comment below what colors you got for the February 15th event. I'm curious, like the festival, the Feather Festival, I want to know if you guys got like the color you wanted or if you got like a color you didn't want. But yeah, let me know. Comment below. Also, you should also tell me when you guys started playing Animal Crossing, if you do, or if you want to get it. I know that's a lot of stuff. But let's talk about it. I'm obsessed with Animal Crossing, so I'd love to have some cute little Animal Crossing conversations on YouTube. Why not? But yeah, so if you guys were interested in these products, they are very nice. They're well pigmented. This is still going strong on my arm, and I just put my sleeve over it. And the colors just blend out really nice. They're like soft but bold, if that makes any sense. And then the blush is just like, hey, which I love. So yeah, thank you guys also so much. We hit 200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I'm so thankful for all of you. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe. I get like way too excited about it. It just makes me so happy. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. Like, it's amazing. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you guys enjoyed these review videos so I can keep doing them for you. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!